Today we're making a bacon Swiss cheese salad. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a wonderful salad that's going to involve hard-boiled eggs, bacon, Swiss cheese, all the things that I love. Here's one of the things about the eggs. The eggs are actually going to be eggs that you have probably going to have around your house. I'm using my eggs that we are going to use for Easter in the salad. This is a great salad that you can make Easter Sunday or anytime you have extra boiled eggs around the house, and it starts off really easy. I have pieces of bacon. There are 8 pieces of bacon right here. It's on a parchment lined pan. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to throw this into the oven and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until it is nice and crisp, and then I'm going to take it out and cut it into pieces. While my bacon is cooking in the oven, I'm going to take one piece of bacon in this frying pan, take it over to the stove or the range top, and cook it for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat until it is nice and crispy. Once it's crisp, I'm going to remove that bacon and add to the pan 1 minced clove of garlic and 1 shallot that's been chopped. We're going to cook those until the shallot is nice and tender, then we'll come back. Now let's assemble our dressing. I have my onions and garlic, which have been fried in that bacon grease. Then to that, I'm going to add it this way. We're going to add our onions and garlic to our olive oil. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and then 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Why am I mixing this up early? So that the flavors can blend. Now there are 2 things that you can do with this. You can serve this hot or you can serve this cold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in here, and then at the last minute, just before I serve it, I'm going to then heat it up so that our salad dressing is nice and hot. Now what we're going to do is quickly assemble our salad. We're going to take, this is romaine hearts. Put that on your plate. And you can make these salads a dinner salad, a side salad, whatever you want. Then we're going to divide this bacon. We want quite a bit of bacon there. Our quartered eggs. Top that with chives. And this is Swiss cheese, about 6 slices of Swiss cheese. It's cut into strips. You can cut them as big or as skinny as you want. It is completely up to you. A few more chives on the top. And then we'll mix up our dressing and drizzle our dressing over the top of it just before you serve it. And that's what I'm going to do right now. We're about ready to have dinner. All right, let me give this a taste real quick. That is an amazing salad. It's spicy, it's filling. This is so good. Now if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.